What's up, guys? Today we got a diffuser from Street Aero. I'll go ahead and cut this open and we'll see what's inside. Screws. Got my receipt with a decal. Another little Street Aero banner.
Sure Bill, F1 Durbill. Why you do so dusty? Me, I live plush. 8 a.m. roll up, get sucked. 200 pounds sold on a big truck. Get your chips up, burn pulled up in a Benz truck. Where your friends at? Tell them that the truth here. 8 night turned up like it's New Year. No stress, just cookie and blue here. Damn, this shadow look too clear. All around the world, my name keep buzzing. Rich off cook, I ain't worried about nothing. Me and Pie God keep the wallet, cousin. Cats in my face like, let me buy something. Oh no, I used to move low. I used to get money out of high class, oh. Now I just grow. I pull it all down, I trim it up nice, then I let it go. My J burn slow, my crew's on gin. Coke white Benz on brand new rims, make a girl spin. I just got 10, I blew it on gold. And drinks with my friends, you know I said trends. You boys don't breathe, 100 lights plus, no backseat, huh? 225 on my LV duffel. Smell proof bag, I don't need no trouble. Before we had clear, it was OG bubble. 200 mil, these boys don't hustle, huh? Burn, keep the best price. TGOD jet life, girl on the one. Take another shot, put a pill on your tongue. Preach, no sweets, just unbleached raws. Get job from your girl, bet you break me off, that's right.
Yo, talk is cheap, why speak I rap? Double meaning haters beef, then I feel.
Wow, it's cold. Finished.